Hi, welcome back all of you and welcome to the one class that is biomedical waste management, right? So what is the biomedical waste management and what is it, the color coding we would like to know in this class. But before we know what is the biomedical waste, we have to know about what is the waste type. So waste is all the product giving us or a service can be disposable or non-posable and and giving us the product safety is known as waste, right? It actually giving us the product safety for some kind, but some kind it doesn't give the product safety, right? So, okay, after differentiated what is waste, we have to know about what is the, and it can be differentiated into two parts, right? So after definition, we have to know what is the waste differentiation. So one type is the normal waste, and another type is the biomedical waste, right? So what is the normal waste? Normal waste is actually generated via temporary service for mankind. And what is the biomedical waste? So, biomedical waste is all the waste which is generated from the hospital while caring to the patient. So that is the biomedical waste, right? And another all the waste is, and all the waste are in types of the normal waste. Okay, so we have to remember one thing particularly, that hospital is the only place to produce medical as well as normal waste. So what type of the waste are in the biomedical waste and what is the biomedical waste, right? So it can be differentiated like IV fluid bottle. Next is sharp needle. Next is uh, okay, so it can be differentiated also. So we have to take couple of columns to differentiate it, all the biomedical waste in the hospital sector. First of all, we have to make a column number one. That is, we have written already, that is a waste filled with IV fluid bottle, all plastic wrapping, all plastic product and disposable things. Okay, so next we would like to make column number two, that is a already written sharp needle. Next we have like to read write guide where trocar sharp scalpel metallica product, right? Okay, so next we would like to make column number three. So here we would like to write all the broken or broken ample, as well as all the glass product, right? Next, the column we would like to make the column number 4, that is all the product of waste generated from patient. Next, it can be tissues after operating, urine, can be plaster as well. So it can be differentiated via 4 column. Okay, so if we differentiated all the biomedical waste in 4 column, okay, so change the color as well. Okay, so if we differentiated 4 column for the 4 respective types of waste in hospital, so we would like to dispose all the waste in particular boxes. So all the plastic and all the IV fluid bottle, plastic wrapping, and all the plastic product and disposable things, as well as draped sheet, all the product, all this type of the product would like to go in red color coded bucket. Okay, it can be, if we change the color of red color coded bucket, right? So now all the sharp needle, guide wire, scalpel, sharp scalpel, trocars, metallic product, would go in a white box. It would go in a white box so that it kept safely after the use, right? So white can be seen over here, so we would like to use yellow, right? Next, we have make a column number 3, that is all the broken and unbroken ample. The unbroken, that means it expired, right? You can't throw out the proper ample, okay, without expiring. As well as all the broken glass product as well. Broken, we have to add two words. So it would like to go in a container coded blue. So it would go in a blue container, okay. And last is all the product, that is 4 column. So 4 column also goes in the yellow bucket, right? So it would go in the yellow bucket. So what is going into the yellow bucket? All the product generated from the patient and generated while caring to the patients from the patient's body tissues such as tissues after operating, urine, plaster as well, is going to the yellow bucket, right? So this is all about the waste of generated from the hospital, and it's differentiated into 4 parts, and all the respective waste is going to the respective coded bucket. You can see here. Okay, so after management of the waste, we would like to the contamination of the waste, right? And you would the charge, you are the taking the charge of the OT, so you have to make sure the OT is clean. So after completing the OT, the waste should be managed properly, right? So here you have to make sure the after proper waste management, you have to make sure the proper spill management done. So we would like to make a point that is obviously read the waste management or management, right? Okay, so here all we have forgotten one thing, that is all the all the normal product that is generated is going to the under, that is wrapping of PC, right? So this kind of the product would like to go in the black bucket. So all the coding is at least 5, right? So plastic product would go all the IV fluid, all the plastic wrapping of the patient's safeties is going to the red bucket. Sharp needle, guide wire, sharp scalpel going metallic product would go into the white bucket. All the broken ample, unbroken expired ample would like and broken glass product would go into the blue bucket. All the waste generated while from the patient, that is tissues after operating, urine and plaster as well, would go to the yellow bucket, and normal all the waste is going to the black bucket. So how the spill management done? All the waste management done. First of all, you have to make sure of the proper, sorry, proper PPE kit and gloves were wearing while management done. Next, what is the second step? Second step is you would inform housekeeping supervisor to activate code orange, right? Next is all the differentiated product can be managed and sent to the central medical waste management store, right? Central biomedical waste management store. Next step is after sending to the biomedical waste management store, the person who have doing such kind of things must be clean his hand as well as his clean as well as clean his hand nothing clean his hand properly stepwise. Okay, so next step is, and while doing all the procedure you have to inform from the all the stuff that spill management done in that place. So a caution board should be placed in that place as well as border the area for safety purpose, right? Okay, so this is all about the waste management, and this is all about the biomedical waste management we have learned in this class. Hopefully you would like to like those videos and all the videos from the past. So if you like the videos, do subscribe, like, comment. Okay, so stepwise, so we would like to discuss the hand washing in the next any videos. Okay, so for now I would say bye bye. Make sure that we would meet in a next another video, right? Thank you.